hi. Here I am at the Museum of Dartmoor Life in the Victorian kitchen. Well, this isn't the Victorian kitchen. This is the Victorian toilet. Oh, sometimes even us time travellers get it wrong. Well, whilst I'm here, let me explain. In Victorian times, they didn't have a toilet inside the house. They would have a toilet either in the backyard or in the garden. And many houses in the same street would share the same toilet. They called it a privy. And they didn't have any toilet paper. They used to use some of this. Or what about if they were caught short in the middle of the night? Well, under their bed, they had one of these. A chamber pot. Did you work out what that was from last time? And if they needed to go, well, they went in there, and in the morning, they would come down and empty in the privy. Well, let's get to the Victorian kitchen, shall we? I've been given special permission to come behind the glass at the exhibition of the Victorian kitchen at the Museum of Dartmoor Life. There are so many interesting artefacts to look at, and I thought it'd be fun to play a little bit of a game with you. So a guessing game. I wonder whether you can guess what some of these objects are. So first of all, this one. So made of metal, quite heavy, like some sort of pincers maybe, perhaps for getting rid of a stray nostril hair or taking out a tooth perhaps. Actually, they were used for cooking, and sugar back in Victorian times came in a cone, and so these were sugar nips to break bits of the sugar from the cone and then pop them in your tea. Now this is a bit of an easier one. What do you think this was used for? Yeah, I don't think too many people had a problem with that. It's a candle holder. So there was a candle would stand up there, and you could carry this around with you and save any wax dripping. Now this is a similar looking thing. Okay, it's got a handle and a metal base with lots of holes in it. This was a clotted cream skimmer, and it was to skim the clotted cream off the top of the milk. What else we got here? This is one of my favourites. Look at this contraption. Looks quite lethal, doesn't it? So this would go on the side of a table here. This little wooden block would come out. In the back you would feed something, and then you would slice it. It's a runner bean slice. That's that one. Well, I've got one more to show you over here. Well, a couple more actually. This little one here. This is a baby's drinking bottle. There would have been a teat on one end, and then you would have used your thumb to control the flow of the milk. How about that? Mwah, mwah. And something else. What about this? Any idea what this is? Oh, well, it was a beater for beating rugs. As people didn't have fitted carpets back in Victorian times, they used to make their own rugs, and then to clean them, they would take them out and they would beat the rug, beat all the beat all the dust out of the rug. There we go. And there's one other thing here. In fact, this isn't even in the right place, but any idea what this is? Well, this is a washboard, and this needs to go into a different area of the museum.
'Twas on a Monday morning when I beheld my darling. She looked so fair and charming in every high degree. She looked so fair and slender, oh, a washing of her linen, oh. Dashing away the smoothing eye, dashing away the smoothing eye, dashing away the smoothing eye, she stole my heart away.
Washing clothes in Victorian times took a whole day. There were no washing machines, so the water had to be boiled. Then the clothes would be rubbed with a bar of soap before being dipped in the water, and then a washing dolly or a washing board was used. Once the clothes had been rinsed clean, they would be put through a mangle before being hung out to dry.
Dashing away the smoothing eye, dashing away the smoothing eye, she stole my heart away. Was on a Wednesday morning when I beheld my darling. She looked so neat and charming in every high degree. She looked so neat and charming, oh,
women used to take in other people's washing and do it for them to earn some extra money.
Dashing away the smoothing iron, dashing away the smoothing iron, dashing away the smoothing iron, she stole my heart away.
Hang on a minute. That's not supposed to be there. Have you any idea which part of the museum's exhibition this one comes from? Oh, and come to think of that, what is it? Join me next time to find out.